K802 9-inch double ingot Andrews big screen Navigator MP5 package included car MP5 player, power cord, GPS antenna, camera input, RCA input and output, 2 USB cable, instruction manual, DVR and camera need to be selected, FM radio function, wireless FM with high-quality stereo, automatic channel search. Support custom settings, including general settings and language preference. Support mirror link function. You can use USB to connect your phone to the radio, such as GPS navigation. Listen to music and watch the video. You can synchronize any contents to display on CarPlay or big size screen. Insert a USB stick. You can directly listen to the music in the U-disc and watch videos, photos, etc. You can adjust the volume by rotating. And you can swipe the progress bar directly on the center console display. Bluetooth function. Built-in Bluetooth module, free your hands, and make it easy to answer the phone while you're driving. Connect Bluetooth, you can listen to music. Common to iOS and Android systems. But Android system needs to download Tima app, iOS system does not need to download app. Support iPhone Wi-Fi screen mirror link. CarPlay function. Available for both Android and iPhone. CarPlay can move all operations performed on the mobile phone to the central control display in the car. Navigate, listen to music, make phone calls, and send and receive messages while you stay focused while driving. Please note this: the fuse and try to combine the yellow wire with the red cable together to 12V positive and the black with the negative. If you didn't wire reversing trigger wire, usually pink or brown cable, in a correct way, you may find that the screen is locked in the revering mode, blue screen. Please note the following. The correct wiring method for connecting the rear camera. Car reversing wiring diagram.